directly. And others Phong will talk about the BID, which can help to reduce the errors in it.
So now I will talk about the process of how the BID function and how it will fix the error of the robot. So first of all, we will set a set point, an initial point where the robot will begin. So it's like a start point. And so so we will make the robot move a bit forward, and then we use the camera to detect the robot tilt position and compare it to where it should be according to the plan based on the camera output. And then we will send a signal back to the VID controller, and it will decide like how much error do the current position the robot is current at. And when the error is received,
so when the error is received from the VID controller, it will change the specification, and then it will send a PWM signals to the motors. With the new specification, the motors will act differently, and like it will reduce the overall errors, and it will make it more correctly. So now I'm going to talk about the PID system, in which it stands for proportional, integral, and derivative. And so how this system functions is like it's basically a feedback system, and when the error is sent back to the PID controller, it will change the specification and make it more correctly. And so like in this graph, as shown, each time a loop is repeated, the error will reduce over time until there's no error left. And now I'm going to talk why the PID system is very crucial in our project. First of all, when our robot is basically a car, so when the wheel in contact with the ground, it will create frictional force. And therefore, we need something to overcome it, in which we use the PI part of the PID system to overcome. And also, because our robot is majorly based on mechanical parts, so a problematic problem called inertia may oftenly occur. So this is where the part PD comes to play, in which it will limit the output of a certain mechanical component to reduce overall errors. And also the PD control is very simple, cheap, and very suitable to our Arduino project. So there are many applications for the PD system in our daily life, ranging from a factory automation process in production into automatic delivery systems such as eBay, Amazon, or Alibaba. And finally, it can also be used to solve traffic jam problem. And now we're gonna.
As you saw before, that the demonstration has been sold by Group 1 recently for